Hey everyone, this is Christian Kamarowski here at Autoforge in Stuart, Florida with Dr. Beasley, one of their authorized trainers. I'm here to showcase a simple two-step solution to your Micro-Suede with their Dr. Beasley's Micro-Suede cleanser and Micro-Suede protection. Alright, so here we have the Alcantara armrest. As you can see, it's pretty dirty. When it's dirty, it doesn't look great, but when it's clean, it looks amazing. Dr. Beasley's came up with a formulation that is Alcantara and Micro-Suede specific. You always want to use the proper chemicals when cleaning, depending on your substrate. You don't want to use an all-purpose cleaner. So what we're going to do here is we're going to use the Micro-Suede cleanser. We're going to spray this on. You don't want to overly saturate it, but you do want to get an even coat. So we're going to let that dwell for a little bit. And then you're going to use a brush, something similar to this, some type of leather brush. This is boar's hair. And what we can do is spray a little bit onto the brush also. And we'll just take this and come back and forth. Side to side. Small circles. And back and forth again. Take a nice clean towel, and we'll go ahead and start wiping some of this off. And as you can tell, it picked up some contamination. Something as dirty as this, it's going to take multiple applications. We'll go ahead and spray again. And again, spraying on the brush. Wipe off any excess overspray that might have gotten onto the leather. And we're going to let this dwell for a little bit again. Now again, you don't want to oversaturate the surface, but you want to make sure there's even coverage. Take our microfiber rag and go ahead and wipe. Alright, so now that we've given it some time to dry, we're going to go ahead and apply the Micro-Suede protectant. And this will help keep that Alcantara looking fresh, keep it easy to maintain. The important thing to do with this is make sure all your nap is in the same direction, and you want to be careful of any overspray, especially if it's a steering wheel. You don't want to get it all over the clear gauge cluster, windshield, anything like that. So we're going to give this a good shake and a light spritz. Even coverage. The next part of this is going to be push it all into the opposite direction, because you want to get all sides of those fibers. And you can use either a microfiber towel like I'm doing or a brush. We're going to spray it again. Again, nice light even coating. And push it back to the other side. And then you're going to want to let this sit for 24 hours to cure fully. I'm going to clean up any overspray that I have here. So now we got the Micro-Suede all protected and cleaned using the Dr. Beasley's line of Micro-Suede products. If you'd like to learn anything more about these products, go ahead and visit autoforge.net. Feel free to reach out to them. If you want to get information with new videos coming out, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and also hit that notification button. So this way, anytime a new video is posted, you're automatically notified.